Meet Windows Hello, the modern way to log in with your face, fingerprint, or a simple PIN. Hey everyone, if you are into Windows tips in making your tech life easier, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a quick, clear guide like this one. Let's go into it. Windows Hello is a Microsoft password-free sign-in option built into Windows 10 and Windows 11. It lets you log in using your face, fingerprint, or a PIN, making it not just faster but much more secure than the old school password. Let's be honest, remembering a complex password is a pain. Windows Hello is a quicker and reduces the risk of someone stealing your password. Your biometric data stays on your device. It's not just uploaded anywhere. To use Windows Hello, you will need either a device with a compatible camera or facial recognition, a fingerprint scanner, or you can use a secure PIN. So how to set up Windows Hello? First, go to Settings, click on Accounts, then go to Sign In options. From these, choose either facial recognition, fingerprint, or PIN and follow the prompts. Quick tip: if you are using facial recognition, make sure you are in a well-lit room. For fingerprints, keep your fingers clear and dry for the best result. Windows Hello is all about convenience and security. A small setup that makes a big difference. Give it a try and level up your login game today. If this helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more simple video tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comment. I have got you.